So you're not seeing the needle move, or you're not seeing any traction with the things that you've been doing. And you're really tempted to just throw your hands up in the air and give up doing that thing that you have started doing, whether that is posting consistently on social media, or whether that is blogging, or if that is creating a new opt-in. You've taken all the steps, you've done all the work, but now it seems like all you hear are crickets. How do you go about fixing this? How do you go about making this better? I'm going to talk about that in today's video. Hi, my name is Amanda. If you've never come to my channel before, it's nice to meet you. I am here 3 times a week. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So if you'd like to keep up to date with what I'm putting out, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and let's dive into what we're talking about today. So the thing that happens is that people, they start to take action and they don't see the results that they want. So they start to take action and then they give up. I see happen often with my clients is that they decide, okay, I'm going to make a new website. Okay, I'm going to start blogging. Okay, I'm going to create this email opt-in. And then they hear crickets. And they don't know quite what to do, and they feel defeated, and they feel like nothing is working, I'm doing everything wrong. But the truth is, this is not true. What is happening is you are taking these small, consistent actions, or you should be. If you're not, you should be, and you're not seeing the results yet because you have to give it time. So there's a book called The Compound Effect, and I love this book. I highly recommend it. And in the book, the author talks about the water hyacinth, and he talks about how you don't see the water hyacinth on the pond for the first 29 days. And then on the 30th day, bam, all of a sudden you see the water hyacinth covering the entire lake. And what's happening behind the scenes, or what you can't see to your visible eye, is that the water hyacinth is doubling every single day. It's doing its thing, and then all of a sudden you actually see the fruits of the labor, so to speak. So that's the same thing when it comes to marketing, when it comes to creating your website, when it comes to keeping up with your website, when it comes to business in general. You have to take small, consistent actions every single day to move things forward. If you get stuck and then you don't take those actions, you're not going to move things forward. I've also heard that it takes like 3 months for you to be able to see the results of the actions that you're taking now. So if you will keep going, keep taking those actions, then eventually you're going to see the results, and you're going to see that the needle is moving. It may not be moving as fast as you want sometimes, but you will see that the needle is moving, that things are improving, that you're seeing some traction. It doesn't happen all at once. It doesn't happen overnight. Although for some people you might see and it might appear that it happened overnight for them. But the truth is that it didn't. They were just behind the scenes taking small steps forward, and they were going. They didn't let little things hinder them from moving forward, and that allowed them to have the success that they have. So what you need to do is keep taking those steps forward, keep taking the actions, and in the long run, it will pay off. Now, are you struggling with moving things forward? Let me know in the comments below one thing that you're struggling with that you are not sure really how to go about changing this. And let me know what it is, because I would love to help you with it if I'm able to through these videos. So go ahead and drop that in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to answer. Thank you for listening and watching my videos. I, again, release new videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. If you'd like to stick around, make sure you don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to stay creative this week.